Not sure where your product tags are or how to add and delete those product tags? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. So from the dashboard, all we want to do is locate the inventory menu and we're going to go to My Products. On the My Products screen, you will see all of the products on your website. Now, you'll notice that you can't find the tags anywhere. That's because you have to go up here to the top right and click the Show Tags button. So once you click that, voila, you can see all of the tags that are attached to that product, and you can delete the tags by clicking X or add the tags by clicking in the box and just typing a tag or searching a tag. And once you're done, you can either just hide tags and that'll be it. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.